everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to fold an origami squid, and this model is an easy model. You will need scissors, so make sure you have a pair of scissors. You're going to start by folding your paper in half, folding corner to corner. Then unfold. And then rotate and repeat. Okay. Now you're going to fold this corner of this edge inwards, making sure it aligns with the intersection of the two diagonal creases. I'm going to do the same here. Just like that. And you're going to open this up and fold it down. And you'll have this little triangle. Okay. So you'll have this little triangle up on the top of your model here. You're going to open it up and squash it down. Okay. Now you're going to fold it over. And then fold this edge to the center crease. And then fold the top edge to the center crease, just like that. And then fold this back over, and then fold that over and repeat. Okay. So now that you have that done, you're going to fold this upwards. And then back down. Like that. And then you're going to use your scissors. And you're going to cut little arms and tentacles. It doesn't matter how many, you can just cut. Okay. And you can just open them up and fold them over into the sides, and then there you go, an origami squid. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you might want to check out some of my other origami videos, or go to paperfoldingfun.com for printable PDFs or instructions for any models that you'd like. Have a good day, keep folding, and I'll see you in upcoming videos. Bye!